Morning, guys. Just rolling through the gate here at Croom. It's Sunday morning, 7:58, and it is 63 degrees this morning. It's not a first for the year, but it is definitely few and far between. We've only had a few mornings so far this year that has dipped below the 70-degree mark. It is beginning of November, first week of November, and hopefully we're going to get many more of these cooler mornings so we can enjoy riding without completely sweating through our clothes. Last Sunday, had a hare scramble. It was the Great Pumpkin Hare Scramble, FTR Hare Scramble number 3. That was down in Homeland, Florida. It was a pretty good race. Great course. I enjoyed the course. I didn't think I would like the course. It was very sandy. It had a lot of deep sand, and I'm not a big fan of the deep sand. And a very fast course as well. And I don't go fast very well, so I have very limited talents on the dirt bike. So 2 weeks from now is the Tavares race. Did it for the first time last year. It was actually the first race at that location last year. It was not easy. I'm going to tell you, a lot of palmetto stumps throughout the entire course. Got a lot of feedback, a lot of feedback of people that thought that it wasn't their favorite, if you will. So hopefully they switched it up a little bit, but at least now we know what to expect. I'm going to do it only because you can't just do the easy ones. You've got to do the hard ones too, right? That's, I think, what gets you and makes you better, is if you challenge yourself a little bit. But yeah.
Ooh, feeling the sand. Woo! All right. Oh, I forgot. All right. Whoa, look at that. Woo! Doing a little terrain first today. Getting some terrain action. We got a limited group today. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5th one starting soon. Ah, yeah. Nice, crisp morning this morning. 63 degrees in Brooksville, Florida. Oh, Mark's already launching off of stuff. He's trying to get smart. I got no Sean the Ripper today, so nobody's going to answer up. I'm going to keep it off the pipe. That was ugly. for sticking in the hills a little longer today. Not mad at it. From Breaky. Whoa. I'm an ugly hill climber today. You know, I could feel my forearms still from last weekend doing that hair scramble. My grippy strength is not so good. Tired, grippy. See if I can get Sean to answer up. Oh, that's right. Sean the Ripper's not here today. Nobody's answering nothing. Uh-oh. What is that? All right. Now we're on the north side of the park today. Or this afternoon, or this morning, or I don't even know what time it is. That's the best part about riding. Stop looking at your watch. And I don't even have a watch, so there you go. Testing out the suspension on the whoops. Making sure it's still there. What is this? Oh, that's a little bit of a jump that we should have taken. These pansies up there just rolled down it, and I thought it was a bad drop-off. I'm back here sightseeing. These guys are taking off. Good thing I can see them, though. All this downed wood. What happened? I hit diesel. Where'd they go? There they are. Mark is shitting and getting. But I'm just taking my time today. Come on, little donkey punch! Oh, yeah! I didn't quite make it, but good thing I'm not on mountain bike suspension. Coyote! Humping and bumping. That was fun shit.
You know where we are?
Nope.
At least we can see the sun now.
Huh?
At least we can see the sun now.
Got a spider in my face. I can feel it crawling on my lips. That's not good. Get off me, spider. Don't you bite me.